You know, what does success look like to you, either for your life or for your business, or if you consider them intertwined, together?
It's funny you asked this because I literally did a video on this not too long ago. And as I was contemplating on success, for me, what it has become now is what is it that I did today? What is it that I know today that I didn't know yesterday?
Mm.
Am I more vulnerable today? Am I more open today? What new ideas did I check out in these or in, or work on in these 90 days that I didn't work on in the previous 90 days? So now it's much more like, how much did I step into the unknown? What new opportunities did I say hello to? Did I think outside the box? So for me, and what did you fail at? Because that's another thing that I really struggled a lot with, and that was perfectionism.
Mm.
As an intellect and as a very like heavy science minded individual, like left brainer,
Uh,
I was like perfectionist to the core, and and that really kept me little. And now I know the first few tries are going to suck and suck big time.
yeah.
And then, but there is so much beauty and grace in those first few videos or first few anythings you make. I think for me, when I look back at all the paintings that I ever made, the first few ones hold a special place in my heart because who I was back then and still daring to show up. I think that is more beautiful. Like I would take that imperfect, genuine self over the, yeah, perfect, I got it all together self any day
Well,
because that's what makes us human, right?
mm,
So for me, success is how much did you fail? How much were you willing to fail?
mm.
And also, this is something I borrowed from Sarah Blakely, who says, how much are you willing to make a complete fool of yourself? And sometimes I have published videos where I was like, all right, I am willing to make a complete fool of myself because I don't know if, those topics are going to resonate with someone or not.
Mhm.
And then when my ego is like, no, do you think I can publish it? And I'm like, okay,